This video is part of the certification program, SABA, Spreadsheet Applications in Business Analytics. Please contact if you want to apply for the certificate program, or for more details.
However, when you have the data, many times you are interested in knowing the rank of a data. So rank of a number in the entire data set. You want to know what is the maximum and minimum, that is okay. But you want to know what is the kth lowest. Kth lowest means I want to know what is the second lowest. I want to know the second highest. Mostly like in case of your students' marks. So you want to say who got the second highest number. What is the rank of a person who got 90 marks, like that. Right? And in your MATCAT score, you can see that you have some percentile rank. So why this is important? This also gives you some idea about the data. How the data is distributed. The dispersion of the data. Right? So we have some inbuilt Excel functions for this. So if you are interested in kth lowest, so you use small. Kth highest, you use large. So let's say suppose in this data set I want to know which is the fifth largest. So what we'll say is large, and see this large, what it is taking? It is taking the array and the k. K is the 5 here. So this is the array we have, and we say 5. So the fifth largest is 130. So see, you can see this, how I'll get. So you have 250 is the largest, 150 the second largest, third largest, fourth largest, fifth largest is 130. So what is happening is that it is counting the same number coming twice as different number. So this is like, as of now in Excel, there is no way it could be like given as, like, say, second largest, like that. However, that is handled in the rank function. So as of now, fifth largest is 130. And if I ask you what is the largest, one way you can do is you can compute using the max. So just you can do the max, but I want to use largest using the large function. So I will large, this is the array. What should be a k here for the largest? K should be 1 because we are interested in the largest one. So see, that means the large function is working correctly. Max is also giving the same thing. The first largest is also giving the same thing. Then we have the smallest. We can compute using the mean. Right? Or you can compute using the 20th or first smallest. You can compute using the first smallest. So what is the first smallest? You use small, you use this array, and you say 1. First smallest will be same 19. But if you are interested in, let's say, 7th smallest, so you will say small, this is your array, and you say 7 because we are interested in 7th smallest. So 7th smallest comes as 70. Right? So this way also you can get the data analysis done in, like, simply using Excel. Right? Okay, but now let's say we want to find out what is the rank of 130. So I want to know what is the rank of 130 in this data set. As of now, I can clearly see 250 is the first rank. Second rank is 150. And all these three are actually third rank. This is also third, this is also third, this is also third rank. Right? So if I want to do rank, you can see that there is an Excel function. There are two Excel functions. One is rank average and one is rank equal. So let's see what is rank average does. So they're saying that returns the rank of a number in a list of numbers. Its size relative to the other. And in case if more than one value has the same rank, then the average rank is returned. So let's try this rank average. So rank average, what is the number we want to rank? We want to rank 130. What is the rank of 130? Okay. And this is our reference. Okay. Now 130 when you are ranking. So see, as an example, you want to rank the students, okay, who got highest marks is good. Okay. So that is better, right? But let's say suppose if you have a IT exam, IT JEE exam, okay, those whose numbers are lower, they are better, right? So rank 1 is better than rank 2, rank 2 is better than rank 3, right? So here we have to tell them that whether 130 is better than 250 or not. So that is handled using the order. So whether order is descending or ascending. Okay. So let's say we are saying it is a descending thing because 250 is the best. Right? So see, it has given us the 4th rank. So okay, maybe some data is there which is rank 150 was just 1 minute if we sort it. Okay, this is given rank average 130, this reference. Okay, so it is given, this is the 4th rank. Okay, we'll see that why it is coming. Okay, and we have another is rank dot equal. Okay, we'll again give 130. Okay, and just we'll see that. Okay, see this. Okay, now let's try to debug these two things. Okay, why this? So this rank dot average, okay, as I said that it is giving you the, if more than one value has the same rank, the average rank is returned. Okay, if the more than one value has the same rank, so you have not got the rank, proper rank. It is the average rank they have given. Okay, whereas rank dot equal, if you see this, okay, if more than one value has the same rank, the top rank of the set of the value is returned. Okay. Still, I think for this rank, this all were 3, 3, 3, third. Okay. Average will still be 3. Okay. I'm not sure, okay, how this is being computed. Okay. But this rank dot equal is, okay, we should go with rank dot equal. Let's say suppose we give rank 250. Okay, around that, or let's say I'll bring it 105. Okay, I understood it. Okay. So see this, let's try to debug how this 4 has come. What is the rank of this? 3, 4, 5. What is the average of this 3? The average is coming 4. Okay, right? So but in case of rank dot equal, what is this? 3, 3, 3. So we get the third one. In case of rank dot equal, the highest one you will get, right? But in case of rank dot average, the rank of this 130 is 3, the rank of this 130 is 4, 5. Okay, so the average of this is 4. If I make this as 1, let's say suppose 112. Okay, see this rank dot average has become 3.5 because this is 130's rank is 3, this 130 rank is 4, the average of these two is 3.5. So rank dot average, it takes the rank of all the numbers, take the average and give it to you, rank dot average. Whereas rank dot equal will take all this and whichever is the lowest one, it will produce that. Okay. In case of 1, it will give the highest one. So in case of, right? So that is the idea. So please remember rank dot average gives the average, rank dot equal gives the equal, and the last one is the order, whether you want ascending or descending. Okay. This is to find out what is the rank of a person, okay, in the data set. Now rank will work here, okay, but if you remember your CAT, MAT, they give you the percentile rank. Okay. So they give you the percentile score. Okay. Now I'll ask you one question. Okay. Is it possible? Is it theoretically possible to get 100 percentile? Okay. From whatever statistics you know, okay, can you say, is it theoretically possible to get 100 percentile? In CAT, you would have seen many people are getting 100 percentile, right? So is it theoretically possible? Okay. I will say depends on how you are computing. Okay. So theoretically, the normal sense, people say that percentile, 100 percentile is not possible. But imagine, let's say, suppose you have 99.999 percentile. How you write? You write as 100 percentile. That's why CAT is saying 100 percentile is the score. Okay. So we want to find out, okay, how it can be done. So this, remember I said that theoretically it is possible, okay, to get 100%, not 100 percentile. It depends on the function. Okay, it is possible or not possible. It depends whether you are excluding the number while calculating or whether you are including the number while calculating. Okay. So let's see, we are including the number, okay, and so percentile rank, sorry. So percentile rank, we are including the number, and this is our array. Okay, in this we want to find out the rank of 250. Okay, so 250 is the top guy. Okay, so by default you see that there is something called a significance. Significance is that how many decimal places it should give. By default it gives 3 decimal places. Okay, so if I want 4 decimal places, I'll write 4. Okay, so it has given 1. If I put percentage, it gives 100%. Okay, so that means percentile rank of 250 is 100%. Okay, so I remember I said that it can be done. It depends on, it is possible, right? But we have considered include this 100 as part of the data set. Okay, if you see the proper definition of percentile, what is the definition of percentile? Percentile is the percentage of people below the number or below you. Let's say we are talking about MAT exam, the percentage of the people below you. So 100% of the people cannot be below you. Okay, right? So that is only possible if we define the percentile as a percentage of the people below or equal to you. Okay, you included. Okay, so this is the idea. So you included. Okay, so that is your percentile rank included. Okay, but if I compute the same thing using excluding, I don't want to exclude the 250 as a part of the percentile. So, and I press enter. See, it has given me 4 decimal places. I compute the percentage. I get 95.23. Okay. Now, how come this 95.23 is coming? Again, it's slightly complex way, but as of now, you just see it's because it would have been ideally 19 people are below, so 95 percentile should be there, right? It takes the values also in between. So this 95 percentile is the rank. So excluding, so it depends on your requirement whether you want to include or you want to exclude. Okay. But one thing you see, I have given 4 decimal places. If I give 6 decimal places, what will happen? See, I can keep on increasing. Okay. After this, it becomes 0, 0, 0. Okay. If I make it 3 decimal places, see, 952, 3 decimal, it is, so you, okay, because it is in percentage, you are not seeing. See, after this 3 decimal, all will be 0. If I make it 5 decimal places, after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will become all 0. It doesn't matter, I can increase the decimal, it doesn't matter. Right? So it comes from this. If I give 8 decimal places, see, it will go to 8 decimal places. So you use percentile rank, the decimal. If you don't give anything, okay, it is by default 3. Okay, so it depends on your requirement whether you use how many decimal places, whether you exclude or whether you include. Okay, this is the idea.
This video is part of the certification program, SABA, Spreadsheet Applications in Business Analytics. Please contact if you want to apply for the certificate program, or for more details.